Synergy premium, as we discussed, uh, is what? It is the additional benefit or perceived synergies that would accrue to the buyer. And again, it's a matter of negotiation between the buyer and the seller. The seller will need to demonstrate to the buyer that because of this sale of company or sale of the stake to you, you will have this synergistic benefit. Now, say for example, if tomorrow Honda Motors decide to sell the company to Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Auto will definitely have a lot of synergistic benefits. So, how will you find out? And please pay attention because this is very interesting. How will you find out the value of synergistic benefit? So, this is how you will do. Honda first will need to value itself using the discounted cash flow method, assuming that Honda is going to sell the company to someone who has got nothing to do with the automobile industry. So they will need to find out as to how much is going to be the discounted cash flow value, uh, assuming it is sold to someone who has got nothing to do with the automobile industry. So they will arrive at a figure of, let's say, 10,000 crore. Now, Honda will need to again do another calculation. And what calculation they would do? They would assume that they are selling this company to nobody else but to Bajaj Auto. And in that computation, Honda will need to quantify the synergistic benefits that would accrue to Bajaj Auto as a result of acquisition of Honda by Bajaj Auto. And now when they do the discounted cash flow, what is going to happen? They will not arrive at the value of 10,000 crore. They would perhaps arrive at the value of 12,000 crore, 13,000 crore, 14,000 crore. So now Honda, when they do the deal with Bajaj Auto, they would say, all right, the value of our company on a stand-alone basis comes to 10,000 crore. But the synergistic value of our company, by selling it to you, the value comes to 14,000 crore. And therefore, we would like that you must pay to us 14,000 crore for selling this company to you. Obviously, Bajaj Auto are as smart as the Honda is. So what Bajaj Auto would say, that number one, this 4,000 synergistic value that you have arrived at, we are not really sure whether that would happen or not happen. Maybe this amount will be 1,000 crore, 1,500 crore, or maybe it will not be there also, there only. But since we want to purchase your company, we are prepared to pay you a synergy premium, and that is of 1,500 crore. So we will pay you 10,000 crore, which is the value of the company, discounted value of the company, plus we will pay you additional 1,500 crore towards the synergy premium. That supposedly the synergy premium. So they would offer 1,500 crore. Honda would say no, 1,500 crore is not acceptable. 3,000 crore is much better. And then this is how they would negotiate, and perhaps they would agree for a synergy premium of 2,000 crore. And that is how the deal will be done for 12,000 crore. And this is how the synergy is worked out and synergy premium are decided. So how the synergy can happen, and in what form the synergy will accrue to the buyer of the company. Number one, it will be in the form of increased cash flow. So you can understand, agar Bajaj Auto purchases Honda, so what is going to happen? The market share of Bajaj Auto is going to jump immediately. The marketing efforts that the Bajaj Auto will need to do now are going to much less. That means the cost of Bajaj Auto will go down. Plus, since the Bajaj Auto does not have as much competition as they earlier had, now they would be able to price their products little more than what they were doing earlier, and that means their cash flow will increase. So their revenues will increase, and their profit will increase on account of increase in the top line and also increase in the bottom line. So that is what is going to happen, number one. Number three is the reduced cost of capital. So remember, now Bajaj Auto is the dominant player, having purchased the Honda. So their cost of capital will go down, because now that the financial strength of Bajaj Auto becomes so strong, that the lenders of the company would be prepared to lend to Bajaj Auto at much lower a cost, and that is how the cost of capital of Bajaj Auto will go down. So these are the synergy factors that would accrue, for which the seller of the company will command a synergy premium. I hope this answers your query, or this explains the whole concept to every one of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Prasanna sir.
Yes, yes,
Sure.
Pramod.
Okay, very good, very good.